For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
48,661 COVID-19 cases and 705 deaths has been reported in the last 24 hours in India. Positive COVID-19 cases in India stand at 13,85,522. 4,67,882 active cases have been reported and 8,85,577 people have been cured and discharged. Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Delhi and Karnataka contributes to over 65% of the cases in the country. Death toll in India climbs to 32,063. Maharashtra reports the highest number of cases in India. As on 26 July, the active cases stands at 1,45,785. Recovered cases stands at 2,07,194. Deaths has risen to 13,389 and total cases stands at 3,66,368 in Maharashtra. Tamil Nadu reports the second highest number of cases in the country. As on 26 July, the active cases in Tamil Nadu stands at 52,273. Recovered cases stands at 1,51,055. Deaths has risen to 3,409 and total cases stands at 2,06,737 in Tamil Nadu. Karnataka has the second highest number of active cases in the country. As on 26 July, the active cases in Karnataka stands at 55,388. Recovered cases stands at 33,750. Deaths has risen to 1,796 and total number of cases stands at 90,942. Delhi has the third highest number of COVID-19 cases in the country. As on 26 July, the active cases in Delhi stands at 12,657. Recovered cases stands at 1,13,068. Deaths has risen to 3,806 and total cases stands at 1,29,531. A total of 1,62,91,331 samples have been tested till date. 4,42,263 samples were tested on Saturday. Worldwide, the COVID-19 pandemic is taking a strong hold in populous nations. US and Brazil have more COVID-19 cases than India.